Hi guys, this is Darshit back again in my second video, and in this video I'm gonna discuss about how you can start your online business and how you can start from absolutely scratch. You don't have to do any investments, okay, and how you can scale at least 1 lakh rupees a month consistently. Okay, so let me just quickly share my screen. I hope my screen is visible to you guys. So now, yeah, here's my channel, and we are about to reach 1k followers, 573 right now. I hope in the next few months we are gonna hit that. And if you are a agency owner, if you are a struggling freelancer, or if you just want to start your online business, I will suggest you to just watch this video, because in this video I have shared all my experience, how I started my career into this, and how I am making a good amount of money. So let's just jump directly into our flow. Okay, now to start an online business, what you need is, what you don't need, firstly let's discuss about, you don't need a lot of money, okay, you don't need expensive team, and you don't need to have a best knowledge. Okay, so you can even start from rupees zero, absolutely zero rupees. Okay, so now you'll be having a question, but how, Darshit? You are confused, correct? So now let me just quickly go through the step-by-step process how you can make at least 1 lakh rupees a month. So here's the plan to start and scale from 0 to 1 lakh rupees in the next 1 month. What you need is, things you need, firstly let's discuss about this. Mobile phone, you need at least a good phone, okay, and if you have a laptop or desktop, that is good, yeah. Then second is internet and a desire to learn and implement things. This is the very important point, because most people are just consuming content, they are not reacting, they are not taking any action. So if you have these things, let's just go to the second point. Okay, the first step is pick a market. So if you want to do a business, you have to firstly pick a market. You can pick a market such as like coaches or consultants, doctors, restaurant owners, business owners, tech, fashion, beauty, and there are a lot of thousands of market in this entire world. Okay, so you have to decide in which market you want to go. Okay, so let's just go to the second point. Second is pick a skill according to your market. Now you know you have selected your market. Second is, our main goal should be to help our clients to get business and make more money. If you can help your clients to make more money, they will be able to pay you at least 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees very easily. If you can help them to make 10 lakh, 15 lakh rupees, you can easily charge 2-3 lakh rupees per client for your service fee. Okay, but we'll not talk about that huge numbers. Let's start with a very basic. If you can help your clients to manage social media, if you can help your clients to run Facebook ads, if you can help your clients to launch an entire successful funnel, definitely you can charge 20,000, 30,000 rupees. You can start with this pricing. Once you have good results, once you have good credibility, authority, and everything, you can increase your prices anytime, and you can charge the amount that you deserve for your service. Okay, so these are the skills that you can learn. There are a lot of other skills, there are a lot of other markets you can pick, but here's just to give you an example, I have selected these. Third point is create a persuasive offer. The third step is, after picking your market, after picking your skills that you are going to provide to that market, you have to create an offer for that market. Suppose you can't just say, I do social media marketing for coaches, consultants. You can't do like that. Or I can help you to run Facebook ads. You can't do these types of offer. What you can do is, you have to narrow down your market, narrow down your services. Based on that, you have to create a very persuasive offer. Let me just give you an example. Suppose there is a person helping dentists. So I help dentists to get 200 monthly appointments using a secret funnel. Okay, so what's that funnel? That's curiosity, right? And after this, you can use a CTA, book a call or something like that, so that they can book a call, and inside the meeting, you can just pitch them your services and the problems that currently your client is facing. Based on that, you can provide your solution, that the service that you are providing, that you can help them 200 monthly appointments. So that's the thing. Second is, I help restaurant owners to increase sales by 20% a month using Facebook ad. So in this, we are helping restaurant owners to at least increase 20% sales a month using Facebook ad. It's a very clear cut offer. So these types of offer you can create for your market, right? And never sell product or services, sell problems and solution. You are not here to sell Facebook ads, because there are a lot of thousands of people those who are selling the same thing. If you want to separate yourself from the competitors, if you want to be a unique one, you have to give them a better offer. Okay, that the offer should be that no one is giving in the entire industry. Okay, so if client want your services, he should only have the one option, that is you. Okay, so that's what our main goal is in offer creation. The fourth step, let me just quickly go through. Before that, if you have done these three steps now you know your market and what you want to sell. Actually, now you know what to sell also, correct? And you have a great offer that no one have in your market, no one has in your market. Now this will keep you ahead from your competitors. The same thing I repeated, correct? And now the next thing what we have to do is we have to create a persona of your target market and your client persona. Mainly you have to use some prompts in ChatGPT. The fourth step, from this step we are going to discuss these things in the next video. Okay, so wait till the next video, and thank you so much for watching this entire video. I hope by the next video you will pick your market, you will select your skills, the services that you are going to provide to that market, and you will create a unique offer for yourself. I definitely want these three things by the next video, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Jai Hind.